I'm the Assistant Vice President of Student Affairs and the Director of Recreational Wellness. I am thrilled to welcome you to the Student Recreation Center's official ribbon-cutting ceremony. Thank you for helping us celebrate this momentous occasion for BGSU and our surrounding community. This is an exciting time to be at BGSU as improvements are being made across the entire campus, including the building you're sitting in right now. So why renovate? We believe this building has a tremendous impact on the recruitment and retention of our students. In fact, our studies have shown that students who use the facility tend to be retained at a higher rate than those who don't.
The only word I can use to describe this facility is wow. Bowling Green State University has embarked on the largest building and renovation effort in its history.
The Rec Center is an extremely important part of student lives today. Students come here because of the outstanding academic programming and the future that they can build with their BGSU education. And I always say it goes back to a partnership that we started our first year, and Jill Carr, Vice President Jill Carr, I want to thank you for being an important part of that partnership that we were able to build here on the Bowling Green State University campus.
There's no place I go that I don't hear about the Rec Center, and they've asked about the renovation that the board and President Mazie has brought to the table. So if I could give you a couple takeaways, I'd say this. I'd say dream big, double it, and do it. You know, Nike had it pretty right. Just do it.